7:30. It's the hottest day of the year. It's supposed to be anyway. Welbs is on his way, and then we're aiming to leave about 8 AM for the 100 miler. Let's pack this stuff up and see you on the road. Watch this space. Welbs is turned up. Parking up. Quick coffee. And bowl. Come in. Not coming.
That's quality, isn't it?
Nothing, is it?
Not too heavy either, is it?
Nah.
Like a little wasp, isn't it?
It's quite quiet as well, like.
Yeah.
You working today or?
No, today's my day off.
Very nice.
I've been 4 days this week.
Hello.
Very nice.
So.
You got much planned?
Hmm?
You got much planned?
Give me a
I've got my cousin coming over with her 3 girls.
Oh.
So we should play the garden. We're working.
What's that, mate? Oh, the bottle cage, yeah. Bike life.
Living the dream.
Seeing a couple of bottle cages on. Couldn't find a decent Allen key. Don't worry. Got Wellesley covered.
All the gear.
I was saying to Mum a few months ago, not even that pub, but we went to University of Milton a few years ago, and it was meant to like.
Ready on that? Just about to say that on camera, to be fair. I don't even know what it was. It's about 26. It's 9 AM. Wellesley and I are a very long way in, about 10 miles. We stopped 3 times, mostly for trying banter. Now we're just going to try and continue through until the next stop, which will be probably at the hour mark, maybe a bit longer now because we've stopped a bit. Just enjoying Matching Green at the moment, going through there. We'll catch you at the next village probably in a bit. Never have known about this place unless I've ridden my bike, and that is the fact of the matter. Beautiful little village. Cheers, mate. First little stop. Little bacon sarnie.
Bacon and eggs on, he went large, mate.
Bacon and egg sarnie. Long two. 10:25. We stopped for a little bit because I was faffing about with the drone. I mean, we ain't no vegan cyclists, are we?
How many miles was that then?
23 mile. If you look on a map, we're quite close, to be fair. Quite near Saffron Walden. Just got to hydrate and then go again. What is the temperature? Hey Siri, what is the temperature? 28 degrees. It's 10:25, mate. Whee. 56 miles to go. Done 32.5 miles. Averaging 15.4 mile an hour, which is a bit quicker than the route recommended, but we move. We'll have to slow down on the way home. So yeah, nice 28 degrees, and it's not even midday yet, so never mind. On it. Ladies and kings, ladies and gents, 44 miles, feel absolutely fine, to be honest. Look for someone to stop, fuel up, hydrate, probably have a beer.
What's the time?
It's not even 12 yet.
Early for beer or is it alright?
Midday, somewhere in the world, isn't it? Midday. Refuel.
10 minutes.
Couple of pizzas, calzone.
I might just make it really bougie Friday.
I thought you'd have gone with one of these, to be honest. Folded pizza.
Yeah.
Double duck.
Love an egg. Put an egg on anything makes it better.
Cambridge, obviously.
Thank you. So straight up, it's just like, right. It's private tour. Right. How you get the whole basic story? What's that tour?
What about the restaurant? Do you want to get it in?
Man, it's good.
Introduce yourself, buddy.
Hello there. Is he Italian, this one?
Si.
Si, da dove?
No, I'm not.
No, you're not.
Got away with it though, didn't I? Momentarily. We're now on the return leg. I feel alright physically, but it's the heat. Rocking 34 degrees, there's no shade, we're riding into the sun, and there's a headwind. You can probably hear it. So, gonna struggle here, but we move. How are we feeling?
Warm. Very, very warm.
Well, it's the first bit of shade we've come across, isn't it? First bit of shade we've come across. I mean, according to the computer, we've got 30 miles left. Got 30 miles left. We're now averaging 14.8 miles an hour. That puts us at probably about R5. Couple more stops. And we get the cycle pathways back. Feel alright physically, it's just heat. Got to study here in 10 years. Grim. Little break. 20 miles left. Bonking a bit, not gonna lie. 37 degrees. Headwind all the way home. Uphill all the way home. I don't know how the fucking professionals do it in this heat. Inside of 12 miles. I've never been so thankful to see a f***ing cloud. It's gone away for a bit. It knows we're near the end. Bwim, bwim, bwim. Look at the barnet. What's my barnet saying, mate?
It's alright.
Yeah. 7 miles left.
Carrier's bonked.
Bonking. 7.2 miles. I mean, how much a cab from here? Romeo.
Done.
88.8 miles. Thanks for watching. I'm going to now smash a curry, a McDonald's and some pizzas.